Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here is your daily 5-minute super update for Bitcoin. Today, October the 30th. And guys, we need to watch this. You need to watch this. So guys, let's go. And we're starting with TradingFees. You can see we should buy Bitcoin, the 4 hours. We should strong buy Bitcoin. The 2 hours are telling us, yes, buy that Bitcoin. And the 1 hour, okay, neutral buy, I don't know. But guys, all in all, this is telling us we should buy Bitcoin. Now, let's check this one. This is CoinMarketCap. You can see CoinMarketCap is telling us Bitcoin is momently going up a little bit, 1% in the plus. Ethereum is going up a little bit with 0.05. But in the week, 7% in the plus and Bitcoin only 0.2%. The Binance coin is going up a little bit. Cardano is going down in the week also. Solana is going down in the week also. XRP is going up a little bit. Polkadot is going up a little bit. And look at this. Shiba Inu is now here against Dogecoin, the winner. You can see Shiba Inu place number 9. Dogecoin place number 10 on CoinMarketCap. Really amazing. Look at this, 154%. Guys, I made a really nice video yesterday about Shiba Inu at Daily Analyses. Please watch this. It's really important to watch this, guys. So now let's check. Bitcoin dominance is going down and down and down more. And you can see 43.8 is the bottom maybe. We need to watch this. For this week, for these days, it's better to trade the altcoins as Bitcoin because you can see this is going down, the dominance. And if the dominance is going down, it is better to trade altcoins, Ethereum, and so on. So here is Bitcoin, guys. Yes, I know a lot of drawings, but it's important. Look at this. This is the daily time frame, and on the daily time frame, first of all, for me, one of the important things is this. Here, the blue line is the Ichimoku, and this is the 9 length line. And you can see the blue line. We are for the moment over this line. We saw yesterday. Every candle here is one day. We saw yesterday a nice candle, a nice wick to the upside, and today we see this candle here, and you can see the retest with the spike down to the blue line. The 9 length line here, and we are still over this blue line. So this is bullish for Bitcoin, guys. We need a confirmed closing candle over this blue line. This would be amazing in my opinion. One thing, guys, you can see we had here a down going wedge here, and with this nice candle we broke it to the upside. Now we are retesting it. You can see it, a perfect hit again down to this. We are retesting it, and it is possible now to go up from here and to make a new all-time high. It's really possible. Let me show you why. The other stuff is, guys, if we will go down here again and if we will fall back in this lowering wedge here, not the rising wedge, lowering wedge or down going wedge here, we may see a price, more price to the downside, guys. Why? Look at this. Maybe I drawed here something for you and I will remove the Ichimoku. Maybe we are going up like this. 1, 2, 3. And now the thing is, guys, where is 0.4? Maybe here on a downgoing price about 50,000, it's possible. Nobody can tell you where's the point number 4. But after this, we may see a nice upgoing wave, point number 5. This would be a really nice target to the upside, guys. So I can't tell you where is wave number 4. Maybe this was wave number 4. It's possible, and we are going up from this point. We have to watch this, guys. But you know now everything about this. Not the rising wedge, but the lowering wedge, and you know everything about this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upgoing wave here. So guys, let's check the next thing. Here is the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we can see some things here. First of all, if we're zooming in a little bit, you can see, okay, we have here an upgoing parallel channel, and yes, we are nice in this upgoing channel. Guys, in my opinion, as long as we are in this nice parallel upgoing channel, everything is okay here on the 1 hour time frame. But you can see we saw here two big fights here. First of all, this fight with the Fibonacci at 62,400, and we saw a perfect spike on 63,000. Why 63,000? I told you this yesterday. This was the first resistance point, and it was a perfect hit. If you traded this long, 63,000 was a perfect hit. Here was a perfect sell, and after this, a perfect short, and this is really easy, guys. We went down, and now here is the next support. You can see the fight here. Maybe this is the next button. We need to watch this at 61,300 because this is the Fibonacci line, the 0.382. From this, I hope we can see a next move to the upside. I hope for this, guys, we will see what's going on. So this is the Fibonacci, and now you can see what are these lines, Biti? Here, this red line to the upside. You can see it's a big resistance. Why? First of all, 0.618 is a big resistance because it's the Fibonacci line at 63,400. And guys, if you're looking at the bar chart, you can see it here. Pivot point, first resistance point. Look at this. It's the same price. So a double resistance. One of all, the first resistance point of the pivot point, and the second thing is we need to watch the Fibonacci. So maybe if we can climb here more and more, 63,500, big resistance, guys. To the downside, we have a nice support. This is this green line. Why, Biti? Why can you draw here a green line? I can show you. If you watch the bar chart here, pivot point, first support point, 60,800. Where is 60,800? Let me check it. Here, 60,800. This is the green line. So guys, you know the targets to the upside, you know the targets to the downside, you know everything. I make every day a video about the bar chart, about the support and resistance lines. Please watch it. It's a short video. And I make every day analysis on Bitcoin, what's going on here, and you can see it here. Yes, we broke this lowering wedge here. We broke out to the upside. Nice here. And for the moment, we're fighting with these things. We're fighting between these two Fibonacci lines, and I hope we can break up more and more. Guys, remember, we have weekend. Guys, remember, tomorrow, maybe Sunday, maybe Bloody Sunday, you know it. And maybe on Monday, I think the next pump is incoming here on Monday. We will see. We have to watch. I wish you just the best, guys. It doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short. I wish you make millions. And guys, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Have a nice time. Greetings, yours Biti. And guys, thanks. I need your support. I need your thumbs to the upside. I need your comments. I need you guys to keep on going here with this. Thanks. Bye-bye. Yours Biti.
System activated.